The Report Template Builder in LoadCall is an insanely powerful design engine where you can create custom Excel or PDF files that match whatever demands your customers may have in terms of files that they want downloaded for you. So in this video, we're going to cover Excel files. We'll do PDFs in a separate video. But one thing to note, this is kind of a bit of a high learning curve. This is a quite complicated part of the LoadCall software because it does have a lot of flexibility. So this video might end up being a little bit long and you may need help from support to use this page initially, but it is very convenient once you're familiar with it to be able to go in and change or create new reports without needing anyone's assistance or having to pay a fee to your software company in order to do it for you. So pretty useful feature to have, even if it is a little bit difficult to use. So we're going to go ahead and create a new template. And we could start completely with a blank template, but instead I think I'm going to start with, we'll start with a blank template, I guess. You can also start from a different template if you wanted to. So you could load in an existing report and use that as your basis for what you're building. But we're going to go ahead and create a blank template and kind of run through it really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Give our report a name. We're just going to call it test reports. I'm going to click create new report, and in the next segment we'll start going through this.